Hi, welcome back. A rather unusual type of potentiometer is the membrane potentiometer. A membrane potentiometer is exactly the same as a typical rotary potentiometer. The difference is in the user interface. Instead of rotating a knob in order to change the resistance of the middle pin, you can slide your finger over the sensor's surface. What we're going to build is exactly the same circuit as in lecture 16. We'll just replace the rotary potentiometer with the membrane potentiometer. We're going to need the Arduino, a membrane potentiometer, 3 jumper wires. Let's put it together. This is a device. It's very simple, thin. You can stick it on a surface, use it as a user interface for user input to your projects. It simply works by applying pressure onto the surface. So depending on where the pressure is applied, the voltage in the middle pin changes. Exactly the same thing that happens in any other potentiometer. So I'll plug it into my breadboard. And provide 5 volts power in any of the outmost pins. Ground the other one. And finally plug the middle pin to analog pin 0 on the Arduino. Very simple. Upload the sketch. And as I'm applying pressure on the surface of the sensor, you can see that the voltage reading changes. We've seen this sketch before. We just read an analog value from analog pin 0. We'll convert the reading into actual voltage from 0 to 5 volts, and we print it to the monitor. So how does a membrane potentiometer works? Well, it works on the same principle as a regular potentiometer. There's no surprise there. The difference is that a rotary potentiometer has a conductive wire attached to the knob, and as the knob turns, it makes a conductive wire come in contact with a circular resistor, and that creates a voltage divider. The membrane potentiometer, however, is made by having a conductive membrane, hence the name, that is suspended over a resistor material, like carbon. As one presses the membrane, it comes in contact with the resistor under it at different lengths of the resistor and closes the circuit, thereby implementing the voltage divider. So in this diagram here, the yellow line represents the conductive membrane, and the white line, the usually carbon material that makes up the resistor. So as we apply pressure onto the yellow surface, it comes in contact with the resistor below it.